The race for AI supremacy is becoming more interesting by the day. Just a couple of weeks, Google jumped to the front row following the launch of the Bard and Palm 2 AI models. Now, Microsoft is hustling for the same position after announcing a new range of tools and features, including a sensational collaboration with Chat GPT. Join us as we discuss the significance of this collaboration to the tech world and all the incredible AI products that Microsoft just launched. Like Google's I/O Developers Conference, the Microsoft Build Summit is a big deal. Over the years, these events have served as the showroom where the latest products and features from these companies are displayed. But this year's edition is considered to be much more significant thanks to the emerging revolution of artificial intelligence. When Google launched the Bard chatbot and Palm 2 language model a few weeks ago, it seemed like they had won the AI race, at least for the rest of the year. But the quick thinking heads at Microsoft have made sure that their number one rivals won't run away with the lead. At the very least, they're determined to put up a good fight that could potentially knock off Google as the world's leading tech company in AI. In response to Google's daunting challenge, Microsoft announced a stunning operation where Bing was integrated into Chat GPT. By virtue of this integration, Bing is now the default search engine for Chat GPT, allowing users to access timely and up-to-date answers with reference links. This new integration is outstanding because it brings out the best in both applications. On one hand, it expands ChatGPT's knowledge beyond September 2021, allowing it to provide answers about recent events unlike the previous version. Also, the AI-supercharged Bing search engine returns answers in conversational style and, more importantly, it's powered by the new ChatGPT 4 model. Ordinarily, GPT-4 is only available to users on the ChatGPT Plus service, which requires a monthly subscription payment of $20. But with the new integration between Bing and ChatGPT, anyone with a Microsoft account can use the GPT model for free and without queuing on the waitlist. To enjoy this service, all you need to do is visit bing.com on any browser and click on Chat. To unlock conversational search, you'll need to install Microsoft Edge and sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, a few minutes is all you need to create a new account. Once you're done, you can either click on Try the new Bing today or simply click on Chat and boom, you now have full, unrestricted access to GPT-4. At the time of making this video, this is the only way to use the language model for free. Now, let's see how things work for ourselves. For the purpose of this video, we're going to ask Bing AI-powered search for tips about my upcoming trip to Dublin. So, I can ask a question like, I'm traveling to Dublin in September, what should I do? If the setup is accurate, a chat window should pop up with your query phrase as the opening line while the AI drafts its response. Impressively, the response is very detailed and compact with suggestions of things I can do and several nice places that I can visit during my vacation. It also adds extra perks like citations and a stop responding button that can be used to halt the AI in its tracks. More impressively, I could ask a follow-up question like, what bands are playing Dublin in September? And the result is absolutely mind-blowing. Bing does not only highlight the bands performing in September, it also provides the exact date of their performance and the genre of music they play. This AI is just incredible, and we're tempted to test it in one more time before we move on to other products and features unveiled by the Build event. For the next experiment, we'll ask more difficult questions. We can say something like, what can I expect from the .NET team at Build this week? With the old version of ChatGPT, the model would have reminded us that it has very little knowledge of events that happened after September 2021. But as you can see, that's not the case with the AI-powered Bing search, which uses GPT-4. This amazing tool conveniently reels out what the .NET team has in stock for attendance of the conference, highlighting specific talking points like client and user app development in .NET and cloud-native development with .NET 8, amongst other things. And as always, there are reference links and citations under the response, so I can easily fact-check the answer if I want to. As a part of this innovative integration, Microsoft announced that it's adding interoperability between Bing and Chat GPT for plugins. This means that as a developer, you can write a plugin once, and it will work across all other supported platforms and tools. In this case, I've got the Zillow and Instacart plugins installed on Chat GPT, but interestingly, these very same plugins are also available in Bing Chat. To test these plugins in Bing Chat, we can input a prompt like, "What are good neighborhoods in Chicago with good restaurants within walking distance?" The AI-powered search engine comes up with the names like Lincoln Park, Hyde Park, Wicker Park, and Gold Coast. Again, if you have any reasons to doubt the answer, you can fact-check it using the reference and citation links. Now to try out the plugins, we can ask a follow-up question with a specific criteria. Something like, "Can you find me 3 houses in Hyde Park, Chicago? Less than 1 million, no condos or apartments." AI immediately sets out to find 3 houses in Hyde Park based on the criteria. But unlike the previous searches, the Bing Chat AI conducts its search using the appropriate plugin, which in this case is Zillow. This further improves the quality of the result, making it more specific and tailor-made for my search. And considering the number of available plugins, users have access to unlimited functionalities and improved services like never before. While the AI-powered Bing search and plugin interoperability feature are impressive technologies, Microsoft only used them to tease the audience and prepare their minds for the big announcement of the day, which is none other than the Windows CoPilot. Like the Bing upgraded search engine, this AI assistant is powered by GPT-4 as well. However, its features and functions are a bit different. For instance, the Bing search engine works strictly based on the instructions or prompts of the user. Also, it can only be accessed through software applications. But the Windows CoPilot, on the other hand, is integrated directly into Windows, which is a system software, and that means it's always active in the background, providing suggestions that can help you personalize and navigate your PC with ease, and more importantly, improve your workflow. It's designed to work with all applications, files, and documents. It could even complete certain tasks for you as long as you can input the right prompts. Interestingly, Microsoft have built this innovative AI assistant and all its features with one common architectural stack, and they intend to make it available to the public so that everyone can customize or even build their personal Copilot for their applications. The Silicon Valley giant is also embracing a common extensibility support for the Copilot AI across different platforms, including Bing Chat, Chat GPT, Microsoft 365, and many others. Furthermore, the Windows Copilot supports voice inputs and can perform simple and complex tasks, including optimizing coding processes. For instance, to optimize this code, I can simply invoke the Copilot and ask anything I want to. In this case, I asked the AI assistant, "How can I adjust my system to get work done?" And as soon as I click the Enter button, Windows Copilot gives me great suggestions, like activating focus mode or dark mode. And if I wanted to set the tune for the work ahead, I could call up the Spotify plugin to give me a coding playlist. Considering our increased dependence on technology, the Windows Copilot will play a huge role in the way we use computers going forward. And that explains why it's one of the most talked about products from the event. But apparently, Microsoft had one last surprise for us. We're really thrilled to be announcing Microsoft Fabric. In case you're wondering, Microsoft are not launching their own clothing brand. Basically, what the Microsoft Fabric does is to unify compute, storage, and the full analytics stack product experience. In addition, it connects governance and analytics, unifying the business model across all different types of analytics in a seamless way. So, whether it's SQL or machine learning, whatever task you need to execute, you can execute it using the same compute infrastructure. Microsoft have once again blown the AI race open with the array of products and features unveiled at the Build conference. But would that be enough to displace Google as the ultimate pioneer of AI technologies? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this.